Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a restaurant. It's a convenient and secure way to settle your bill. First, always check for the contactless payment symbol, which looks like 4 curved lines or the Apple Pay logo. Then, simply let your server know you'll be paying with Apple Pay when they bring the bill. They will then present you with a portable payment terminal. Once the terminal is ready, activate Apple Pay on your device. For an iPhone with Face ID, double-click the side button and glance at your screen. If you have Touch ID, double-click the Home button and rest your finger on it. On an Apple Watch, double-click the side button. Then, choose the card you wish to use from your digital wallet. To complete your payment, hold the top of your iPhone or the display of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader on the terminal. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a beep, and a check mark with the word "Done" will appear on your device screen, confirming the transaction. This process usually takes just a few seconds. After the main payment, the terminal will typically prompt you to add a gratuity. You can usually select from preset percentages, like 15 or 20%, or enter a custom amount. Always review the final total, including your tip, on the terminal's screen before confirming. Once confirmed, your payment is complete and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.